All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So you bought your brand new iPhone 14 Plus, and you want to go ahead and put something on the front of the phone that you feel like might be kind of good to protect the screen. So you decide to go with Whitestone Dome. There's different versions of the glasses that they offer. This is the Easy Dome one. This is the one that's really simple to put on. It's very easy to put on. And this one is easy too. It just uses the UV light to help get it even more sealed onto the device. So we'll focus on one that a lot of consumers probably will buy, which is the Easy Dome glass. So you can check it out here. 9H scratch protection. It's hard on there. High touch sensitivity, shatter resistant, oleophobic coating. Um, you've got vivid and clarity, they're saying here, and easy and simple attachment. So this is actually a 3+3 pack because you got tempered glass and then camera protectors. And I don't normally do the camera protectors, so I won't put those on, but you got a code there you can scan probably to get some help if you need it. Let's get into the box. Man, they really, God dang, God, got, they got it on there. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's see here. Now, here are those camera protectors I told you about. You get 3 of them. This is a 3 and 3, remember? So this is what they look like. Now, again, personally, I'm not a fan of these, but let's put it on just to show you because there's some people that are going to buy this and they're going to put it on. So they go on easy. It's sticky on this side right here. And then you just pop it on. Literally. That's it. And then it's done. And your camera's protected. And it goes in and out of cases nice and easy because of the way it's wedged in the fitment of it. You can see a side view there, how it actually sits up on top. So that's fairly simple and pretty easy. Then you got your 3 kits in here. You got your 3 stickies. Take one of those out. You got 3 microfiber cloths. And you have 3 of these right here. So I don't need the microfiber cloth. Now you do get a cage for easy installation. This is fairly simple. You just pop it on like this. Boom, it's done. You drop it in there. So the installation guide is very simple. But if you find yourself having problems, scan that QR code and you will get a complete walkthrough. It's just that simple. So let's put the instructions right there. And now here's the cage. So you'll see they're labeled. This is top. So it goes on the front of the phone like so. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I have a tempered glass on here now, but I'm going to take it off since this is a 3-pack. Won't need it. And this is Whitestone Dome. So 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. Let's put this off to the side real quick. Show you the glass. There's the glass. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off the cage, take off the glass I have on here now. It's going to peel it up. And if you were to break your glass or something, you know what I'm saying, you needed to replace your glass for whatever, taking them up, just be real easy with it, especially if it's broken. This one isn't broken, but I'm removing it for the purpose of this video. Just let it do its thing. Boom. That's what you need to do to get it off. Simple. If it's broken, you really want to be careful. So let's go ahead and get the wipe down. Wipe it down. I'm gonna wipe it down. I know that didn't sound good, did it? I know. So we're gonna make sure we get it all wiped off. Fairly simple process. And again, the Easy Dome one is the easiest one to put on for most consumers. So now I'm going to use my heavy duty microfiber cloth. If you guys always ask me about this microfiber cloth, be sure to hit the link in the description. You can get yours. Just that simple. So now we're going to go ahead and put the cage on. Make sure it says top where it says top. I always wipe it down again once I get it in the cage, just to make sure. And then I'm going to hit it with this so I can get all the dust off. Any dust or anything that tried to get left behind, I got you right here with the dust absorbers. You don't want to have any dirt under here because once you drop this and dirt gets under there, if you try to lift it, in most situations, it doesn't look right once you lift it. And you'll have to go ahead and do another glass. And then you now only have 1 glass left if you bought the 3-pack. Looking pretty clear to me. And then we want to go in with the glass. I'm just going to drop it down, peel it up. Once you peel this off, drop it in there, man. Drop it in there. Oh, shoot. Boom, boom. And that's something that a real user might do. They might accidentally lift it up. I'm human. Okay, so the glass went on the side right there. So go ahead and get it out the way. Here we go. All right, there we go. There we go. Boom. No edits because I'm a real installer. I normally get these flawless, but and then you just want to go ahead and drop it down, and then you can just kind of press in the center here and just let it do its thing. It's gonna pretty much seal itself up the best it can. I always like to take the glass off after I drop it to help it. See, once you take the glass off, it starts to really seal up. You see that sealing up down there? You see this big bubble right here? Most people get intimidated by that. I'm not. Any kind of bubble that you have on your device, it'll come out. You can rub it on out. Like it was a bubble right there just a second ago, and it's gone. And I'm gonna leave that big bubble right there because I'm about to show you how it's gonna disappear. Sometimes you need about 24 hours for these to go away, but this is a fresh one and it just hasn't adhered to that spot yet. So you just put it down like this because I love my microfiber cloth. You're just gonna rub it that way. We'll always push towards where the edge. And it might bring up a couple of more bubbles, but you just rub it, shaky cam, and you rub it so it can adhere. And then also the more you use your device, screen will heat up and it'll be gone. So a lot of people normally post 24 hours later with what it looks like after they do a video like this. I just know that over time, with even an hour or so, most of the time they're gone. Because there's always like there's a couple of little bubbles around the edges and stuff like that. Those things are gonna be gone within an hour or two, man. They all disappear. So there it is, man. Whitestone dome all set up. Look at that. Instructions were nice and simple. Super clear. Touch sensitivity. Everything's there. There it is. Google Cloud's live right now. It's 42,000 people watching that. Whoa. So yeah, touch sensitivity is there, man. No problems whatsoever. This is the Whitestone Dome Easy Glass Protector. Hands down, one of the easiest installations you could possibly do. You get a 3-pack, so if you like me and you fumbled and accidentally touched the glass or some dirt or something gets under it, you have 2 more. But as you can see here, even with that fumble, hey, I still was able to get it on there and it looks brand new still. Look at that. Boom. No bubbles, no dirt, no nothing. Just make sure you clean your device very well before you push down and touch down on it, and you'll thank yourself later. So you can save those glass for your family members, your wife, your son, your daughter, your husband, whoever. They can all get a glass too. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.